The oven hums, the batter rises, the kitchen warms with the scent of hope. It might seem like an ordinary moment, but it's not. It's magic, because every time a woman picks up her tools, measures with care, and dreams in color, something beautiful begins. Not just a cake, a dream. A dream that was once invisible now taking shape. It doesn't always go right. Sometimes the sponge sinks, sometimes the colors bleed. But that never stops her, because behind every imperfect attempt is someone willing to keep rising. These aren't just desserts. These are declarations of strength, proof that the quietest creators often carry the loudest hope. And just like cakes, dreams take time. They rise slowly, they take heat, but in the end, they become something sweet, soft, and unforgettable. So keep dreaming, keep baking, because what you're building is bigger than cake. It's a legacy,